Hi guys, welcome to AWS DBA. In this session, we are going to see how we can listing, viewing, and comparing DB parameter group. You can list the DB parameter groups you have created for your AWS account. You can get a list of all parameters in a parameter group and their values. To view the parameter values for a DB parameter group, in the navigation pane, choose parameter groups. In the parameter groups appear in a list. Choose the name of the parameter group which you want to see the list of parameters. Here we are seeing the all parameters and their values. You can use the AWS management console to view the difference between two parameter groups for the same DB engine and version. To compare two parameter groups in the navigation pane, choose parameter groups. In the list, choose two parameter groups that you want to compare. Choose action and choose compare. In the parameter comparison page, we are seeing the comparison values. Logical replication in this parameter group 0, in this parameter group 1. Wallpapers here null. Here we set the 200. Work underscore mem in this parameter group is null. In this parameter group 300. Then close this window. For stopping on Amazon RDS DB instance temporarily, you can refer next video in my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and refer to your friends.